Hai, hello, assalamualaikum. Okay, makeup look video hari ni. Lisa nak buat something yang kita go back to basic. Lisa nak buat something yang more like makeup look yang kita boleh buat hari-hari, yang easy to do, doesn't need that macam too much techniques ke apa untuk achieve this look. So if you want to know, just keep on watching. So basically dah buat Lisa punya the fill in my eyebrows, and I already prep my skin using this Weleda UK Skin Food. This one is a very thick moisturizer, but it really gives you that hydration and tackiness supaya you punya makeup can hold on the skin. And then I fill in my pores dengan Tarte Clean Slate Smoothing Primer. For foundation hari ni, I will go to my favorite dan habis pun. This one is It Cosmetics CC plus Your Skin But Better. So Lisa pakai warna medium. Okay, this one dia dah infuse dengan anti-aging serum dengan SPF 50, so you don't have to use another layer of SPF. So dia ada SPF 50 which will protect you from UVA and UVB. And dia punya finishing is more to natural finish. Dia ada, kalau you adalah oily skin, you boleh tengok, you boleh try the mattifying finish. Ada satu lagi, if you are super dry skin, you nak that glow, they have the dewy finish juga. Okay, this one is the normal finish je. And it really gives you a nice coverage juga. So I'm just going to dot. Okay. Bisa pakai brush daripada Fast Fauzi and just dab everything. So bila you dab, you have to spread juga the product. So maksudnya you dab and you move the brush so that you punya foundation tu just tak ada dekat satu tempat sahaja. So yeah, okay, foundation blended. Okay, now I will move to concealer. So hari ni saya akan pakai concealer daripada NARS. Okay, concealer NARS ni saya pakai colour light 2.3 Madeline. Okay, Lisa tak pergi atas sangat sebab I have like macam lines kat situ. Kalau Lisa tak banyak-banyak kat situ, dia akan build up kat situ and dia akan nampak kita punya lines tu akan jadi more obvious. And then Lisa ambil brush yang sama and then just blend dulu under eye. So brush ni dia punya corner ni boleh blend sampai dekat celah mata. Sebab dia besar sikit, so it makes the work faster lah. Sebab dia besar kan, so sekali dia cover kek macam tu. But you have to be careful untuk kalau you are working with macam smaller areas kan. Okay, untuk cover the blemish here that I have here, Lisa akan ambil this all-nighter powder. Just a very light, macam like chushu, take the excess, lalu sikit je untuk mattekan sikit the area supaya dia tak slip bila kita letak the concealer. And then the concealer that I'll be using is a thicker consistency. So this one is the NARS. Lisa ambil this NARS Soft Matte Concealer. Okay, pakai brush. Okay, tadi Lisa dah powder sikit di blemish area tu. Okay, now Lisa ambil Soft Matte Concealer daripada NARS. And then just pat on top of the blemish yang kita nak cover tu. And blend edges je. You kena buat slow so that dia tak move around. Okay. So kita punya blemish tu dah blur sikit, the colours, the redness tu dah hilang, the kuning, bahagian kuning yang masak tu pun dah hilang. And now we have to set with powder. And Lisa ambil this one, Fit Me powder. So kita ambil brush and you really have to macam pack it on tau. Slow-slow je sebab kita tak nak gerakkan di concealer yang kita letak tadi. Okay. Good. Lisa akan pakai Maybelline Fit Me powder with a powder brush. Okay, first kita kena blend out kita punya under eye ni, because when we move around dia akan tend to crease, to collect on the lines yang kita ada. Like for me, ni saya memang ada lines ke bawah tu. So I'm taking a smaller brush dulu. Smaller brush and pack it underneath. Now with a bigger brush, kita set on the other areas. Okay, this one is a mattifying powder juga. If you tak suka mattify sangat, you can pakai powder lain. Okay. Okay, this powder, Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder ni memang akan bagi you that flawless complexion. It will help to control you punya oil. And kalau you pakai sikit-sikit, pakai dengan brush dan ambil sikit-sikit, you takkan nampak dapat macam you takkan nampak you punya skin like cakey. Okay. Still ada that glow from my moisturizer. So moisturizer tu is very hydrating juga. Untuk contouring and shading, saya akan pakai okay, on a slanted brush. Just ambil sikit and take off the excess. So kita nak buat light-light je, light-light contouring, light-light shading. Kalau untuk contour hidung dengan cepatnya, if korang nak cepat, just picit je. Kita punya brush, remove the excess and just follow kita punya mata hidung tu. Then you will get a contoured nose. Macam tu. And then what I like to do is I ambil balik powder brush, ambil balik powder sebab I nak blendkan sikit the nose contour tu supaya tak nampak terlalu harsh. Macam tu. Just ambil my powder blusher brush, remove the excess and just tap it on your face. For highlight, Lisa akan pakai this one. You can just, Lisa akan mix je dua ni, these two colours. And just put on cheeks. For eyes, untuk cepat, Lisa akan pakai cream eyeshadow. Cream eyeshadow is one of the most cepat, the most fast, the fastest method of eyeshadow you boleh pakai without any macam you need like extra blending ke, macam like extra techniques ke apa. It's just like you just pakai tangan you and you good to go. So for today, Lisa akan pakai Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in Coat Amethyst. Okay, this one colour dia macam ada a hint of purple. So just macam tu. And then I will just use my hands to blend it. So the way I blend is I tarik bahagian luar tu masuk ke dalam. Macam tu. Another thing you boleh buat, You ambil contour powder ataupun you punya bronzer ke apa tadi, just ambil satu brush and blend the edges untuk bagi like macam depth sikit. And then ambil balik eyeshadow stick yang sama, just okay, lalukan kat bawah mata and you just blend pakai jari kecil you. And then ambil je brush yang sama untuk blend sikit without taking any new products. Just apa-apa left over on the brush sahaja. Eyeshadow, it's done. Okay, now kita curl kita punya lashes and put on some mascara. So yes, the eye makeup done. Kita punya eye makeup pun dah siap, face dah siap, and now let's move to the lips. Okay, lips hari ni Lisa nak combine two colours because I want it to be like macam pink tapi still ada a hint macam soft pink. So I'm going to combine these two lip product from Sejiwa Cosmetics, which is the color Paris and Kuala Lumpur. Okay, and apply. Okay, and for me, I love to put on some lip gloss. So hari ni saya akan pakai lip gloss Dark Cosmetic Glossy Girl in Full of Money on the middle of the lips. Okay, last but not least, saya akan set everything dengan All Nighter from Urban Decay. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you like it, and I think it's a simple makeup look yang memang you boleh buat macam like quick and easy je. No need like macam too much of blending, tak ada yang macam things yang terlalu complicated. It's just nice untuk kita pakai hari-hari. Actually, this look macam biasanya for day look, we tend to go to like macam colour tones yang more to brownish, yang more to earth tone. But today, you can still use colours for the makeup and add a little bit of sweetness to your look. So I hope you enjoy watching the video, and please do subscribe to my channel, ring the bells, like, share, comment, and I will see you next time. Bye!